Hi, my name is Siri, and I'm the host of the Survivor Crats, the show where we travel all around the world to find contestants who try to survive in one of Earth's 11 biomes. Today's biome is the temperate deciduous forest. These forests are known for having 4 seasons, and their trees lose their leaves in the fall and winter, and then grow back in the spring and summer. Our contestants have 48 hours to survive here. They will need their own food, shelter, and everything else to stay alive. Each contestant only has 1 bottle of water and a tarp, nothing else. Will they make it out alive, or will they lose the prize? Stay tuned.
Hello, my name is Satvik, and I'm a participant at the Survivor Crats Challenge, and I'm a certified naturalist.
Hi, my name's Nakshu. I'm participant number 2, and I'm a survival expert, and I'm excited for this challenge.
Yo, I'm Vishrut, and I'm the best participant here by far.
I don't even know where we are right now. We could literally be anywhere. Well, temperate deciduous forests are only found between the polar region and the tropics. This means we can be in Canada, Eastern United States, Japan, China, or Eurasia.
Oh wow, super helpful.
I don't see you helping.
Guys, stop arguing. This is not gonna help us. First, we need to build a shelter.
Where should we build a shelter?
Well, we need to build it in a slightly elevated area to avoid the cold air.
Like in a sauna?
Yes, like in a sauna. We also need a spot with lots of trees so we can avoid the air.
Shouldn't we also build it in a place with a lot of water so we can get some if we run out?
Nope, bad idea. Water means flooding, and we need a place with good drainage like a hill so the water can flow away from the shelter.
Okay, enough talking. Let's build this thing.
Wait, shouldn't we find food first?
No, if we wait, it'll get dark. Shelter now, food tomorrow.
I'm starving. Let's get some food already.
What are we even gonna eat?
Well, to figure that out, we need to figure out our place in this biome food chain first.
Every ecosystem has an energy pyramid, which are made out of trophic levels that resemble who eats what. First, we have producers, or plants that make their own food using sunlight and photosynthesis. Next comes primary consumers, or herbivores that eat the plants. Then comes secondary consumers, or organisms that eat primary and producers. Finally, we have tertiary consumers who eat secondary, primary, and producers. Us humans are omnivores, so we can eat both plants and animals. So we can act as different kinds of consumers, such as tertiary, secondary, and primary. But we are never producers, as we are heterotrophs.
We can eat whatever we want.
Well, yeah, but I think we should stick to plants because they're the most energetically efficient.
I hate vegetables.
Me too, but plants will give us the most energy.
But plants have more energy because they make it themselves, right?
Well, plants get their energy directly from the sun through photosynthesis. The sum of this energy is known as the gross primary productivity of an ecosystem. After plants use energy for their everyday processes and respiration, they make the rest of this energy available to consumers. This is known as the net primary productivity of an ecosystem. Since plants make energy with the use of sunlight, they get access to all the energy, while consumers only have access to energy after some of it has been released or wasted. Because of this, plants are also way more biodiverse than other organisms in the ecosystem. Since they have easier access to energy, they also have an easier time maintaining larger populations. This means finding and eating plants is not only more energetically efficient than finding and eating animals, but it's also easier.
So what kind of plants can we eat here?
Well, temperate deciduous forests are home to a wide array of plants, or flora, such as highbush blueberry plants, which produce blueberries, evergreen huckleberry plants, which produce huckleberries, mahonia plants, which produce mahonia berries, Douglas fir plants, or certain parts of red maple trees. Maple trees in particular are a keystone species in this biome. This means that they have a massive influence on the environment around them. Specifically, maple trees serve as a food source and shelter for a wide array of organisms. The mass removal of these trees can mean the endangerment or even extinction of certain species that use these trees as their main source of food or shelter. Maple trees have also uniquely adapted to their environment in the temperate deciduous forest. Like other deciduous trees, maple trees drop their leaves in the winter when photosynthetic rates decrease. During summer, they grow back their broad, flat leaves that are perfect for capturing sunlight. These adaptations allow maple trees to thrive in the temperate deciduous forest.
Okay, but what if I want meat? What animals are here?
Fine. Animals or fauna in a temperate deciduous forest include squirrels, toads, chipmunks, rabbits, moose, deer, and frogs. Deer, or specifically white-tailed deer, also serve as a keystone species in this biome. Their presence in the environment impacts the biodiversity of vegetation in an ecosystem, the soil fertility, food web interactions, and the habitat as a whole. Much like maple trees, white-tailed deer have also evolved several adaptations, allowing them to thrive in the temperate deciduous forest biome. These deer have adapted to be able to consume and digest a variety of plants. This is especially beneficial in the temperate deciduous forest, where food supply fluctuations are common due to the changing seasons. White-tailed deer also have a very unique camouflage mechanism. During the summer, they have brown fur, allowing them to camouflage with the forest floor and foliage. In the winter, they shed their brown fur and grow gray fur, allowing them to blend in with the winter landscape. This camouflage mechanism allows white-tailed deer to go unnoticed by predators. These adaptations as a whole help white-tailed deer thrive in this biome as well.
Okay, I didn't need a lecture. Let's eat.
Everyone's water.
I'm almost out.
Same here.
Our best bet is to wait for rain and catch it in our water bottles.
Yeah, it's a good idea, because in temperate deciduous forests, rain is most common in the summer and least common in the winter. That's also why trees lose their leaves in the winter. Less rain and less sunlight make it harder for trees to photosynthesize, making it more energetically efficient for them to drop their leaves.
Just me, or is it really hot today?
Yeah, I'm sweating like crazy. What's the temp?
Well, in temperate deciduous forests, the temp can range anywhere from negative 30 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The average temperature would be 10 degrees Celsius. That's 50 degrees Fahrenheit. But today, I think it's way more than that.
It probably is, because temperatures rise during the day. The best we can do is just sit in the shade and wait it out.
You think it'll cool down anytime soon?
Not likely. It'll probably only get hotter until the challenge ends.
Congrats on completing the Survivor Crafts Challenge. Your prize is the Survivor Kit backpack.